Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the official unboxing of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Man, I am stoked. I am so excited to share the reviewing process with all of you. Huge shout out to hashtag Team Pixel. Thank you so much for the opportunity to represent. It's an honor and a blessing. Stay tuned. There's a lot more coming your way. And with that, let's do this.
Before we open this box, notice of embargo. Hello, one of your perks as part of hashtag Team Pixel is receiving our latest phone, the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch, before they're available in stores. Google is excited to share these new products with you, and we hope you enjoy them. We're requiring that everyone who receives the new devices hold on publishing any content, including but not limited to unboxings, reviews, feature comparisons, and photo or video samples until Wednesday, October 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you for your cooperation. Google Pixel and hashtag Team Pixel, made by Google. Hashtag made by Google. Very nice.
And now, I'm gonna put that way over there. The box was empty because, yeah, it's in here. That 7 Pro right there. Obsidian black. Google Pixel Watch. I'm sure this is empty as well too. Man, I am so excited, man. Google Pixel Collection. Wow. Wow, what an honor, man. What an honor. Here's another card here. Hello, we hope you love your limited edition Pixel Collection kit. We had a blast putting it together for you. If you like everything as much as we do, why not use that shiny new Pixel 7 Pro to share your experience on social? And if you need any support, just scan the QR code on the outside of your box for access to Google VIP. We're here to help. Happy unboxing, Google Pixel and hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google at Google Pixel US. And here we have this microcloth type material. On the back it's velvety. That is nice. I can use that to clean off my Google Pixel 7 Pro. Man, that is just a beauty. Okay, how do you take this out of here?
A few moments later.
Okay, I see. I'm just gonna take... Wow, there we go. Just take that off like that. Put that there very carefully. This is really, really nice. Back in there the best that I can. Now it doesn't want to go back in. And here is the watch. So what I'm gonna do is just move this very nice packaging box here out of the way. Okay, I am back. I do not want to scratch up that display. That is a beauty. That is a beauty. Power button, right hand side volume rocker. Right below that, got nothing going on over here except for the SIM tray right here. The bottom speaker, USB Type-C port, and your mic area. Up top we have another mic right there. And there's those cameras. Flash. And that metal bar all the way across. Yeah, I am digging it. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna power up Google Pixel 7 Pro. Here's the watch. Got a mic right there. And you got a speaker slit right there. Got a button right here. There's your crown. I don't know if that's just a go back button to the previous whatever you were doing, or if that is, but either way, I'm going to find out. I'll probably do a separate video on the Google Pixel Watch, but that is just beautiful. It feels really nice. I love the band. I love the band on my Samsung watch, but it gets really dirty. I have to clean it continuously because it's white. With the darker band, I'm not going to have to do that as often. Yeah, that is nice. I love the design of this watch. First ever Google Pixel Watch. And what I'm going to do is go in and set up everything, and I'll be right back. I've set up what I needed to finish out the video. I've disconnected the watch from the Google Pixel 7 Pro and my S21 Ultra that's shooting this video. I was trying to connect to my 21 Ultra. I just don't want any interruptions because mainly I just wanted to test out the Face Unlock and the fingerprint reader. Like I said earlier, the watch is a separate video. I'll not just give you an update experience with it, go over some areas on it, but I will let you know what I think about it in comparison to my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 sporting the star. Anyway, so let's go ahead and test out the Face Unlock. I'm going to get my face over to the left of my S21 Ultra. Bam, unlock by face, and just drag up like that. Very nice. That was quick and fast. Yeah, that is really nice. Okay, so I'm going to tilt the 7 Pro a little bit up like this because if it recognizes my face, it's going to use the Face Unlock, and I want to test out the fingerprint reader. So we're going to double tap. Bam. Freaking fast. And fast isn't really all that important to me. For me, it's the efficiency of the experience of that area. As long as I don't have to keep tapping that area with my fingerprint to get it to open. Bam. It doesn't have to be the fastest. And, yeah, it comes on. Just boop, and it comes on. So we'll just do that again, just like that. That's all I want. Now, in my opinion, OnePlus puts out the fastest fingerprint reader on a smartphone. Second, Samsung. That's just my opinion. Now, with this device, it's pretty darn fast. Look at that, man. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. A lot more to come. Appreciate your time. Once again, huge shout out, hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.